So today I want you to join me as I withdraw over 407,000 naira using this platform called Minipay. Now, should in case this is the first time you are hearing about Minipay, just relax. I'm going to explain to you what Minipay is all about. I'm not just only going to explain what Minipay is all about, I'm also going to let you know how I personally make money on a monthly basis using this particular platform called Minipay. And I'm going to show you how much I do make on a monthly basis using the platform called Minipay. But in today's video, I am going to show you how I'm able to withdraw over 407,000 naira using the same platform called Minipay. So if this is what you would want to watch, then I recommend you do something for me that is very simple to do. And what is that? I want you to go ahead now and click the like button of this video in exchange of the value you're about to get in today's video. Yes, you see, it's very simple to do. And I personally want you to join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscription button. Yes, just look at the subscription button. If you're yet to subscribe, just go ahead and click the subscription button. But after clicking on the subscription button, please make sure to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. Now, in case you're wondering what the bell notification does, now this is what the bell notification does. It will always notify you anytime we upload informative video just like this one you are watching. Now, with all this being said and done, I believe you've clicked the like button and I believe you've joined the family by clicking on that subscription button. Now, let's get into the video. So once you log into your Minipay platform, this is definitely the interface you are going to see, right? Yeah, so just like I said from the beginning of the video, if this is the first time you are coming across this platform called Minipay, I am going to, at the end of this video, explain to you every single thing you need to know about this platform called Minipay, how to get started, how to register, how to fund your account, and the whole lot of it. How I personally make money every single month using the same platform called Minipay. Okay, but for the purpose of this particular video, what we are doing in today's video is to withdraw, because I'm going to take you on a live withdrawal. I'm going to place a live withdrawal of around $300, and you are going to witness it hit my local bank account. So let's proceed, guys. So the one thing I'm going to do is the first thing I'm going to show you is the current amount I have in my Minipay account, which is $1,633 point 0.2 02 cent. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click over here so that we can see how much this particular amount you are seeing here is, like the equivalent amount it is in Nigerian currency. So let's go ahead and click over here. So let's go, guys. So for 1,633 USDT, we are having a 2,244,261 naira. So that is the equivalent of what we are having when it comes to naira. So I'm going to go back here, so it will go back to USDT, so we can proceed with the withdrawal. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click over here that says withdraw. I wouldn't want this video to take time. If I've gotten to this point, let me know by clicking on that like button. Yes, click on the like button and let's proceed. If you're yet to also join this beautiful family, go ahead and use the opportunity to click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. So I'm going to click on the withdraw, as you can see over here, so we can proceed with the withdrawal. So I've clicked on the withdraw, and this is the two options I'm seeing. The first one is saying NGN, the second one is showing exchange, and I'm going to briefly explain what these two means. Now the first one that is saying NGN means that if I choose this first option, at the end of the withdrawal, I am going to receive the money into my local bank account. And when I say local bank account, I mean my normal regular Nigerian bank account, like UBA, Access Bank, Fidelity, Zenith, Opay, Moneypoint, Pampay, and a whole lot of them. Okay, so that is where the money is going to hit within some minutes. It's not going to take time. But if I wouldn't want to make use of my local bank account, then I want to make use of the exchange. The exchange means that I want the money to hit my cryptocurrency wallet. When I say cryptocurrency wallet, I mean like a Binance, KuCoin, Trust wallet. That is where I want the money to move. Okay, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to make use of the NGN so that the money can hit my local bank account, right? So stay with me, guys. I'm going to click on the first one, which is NGN, so that the money can hit my local bank account. So let's go, guys. So I've clicked on that, and they are showing me two wallets on the Minipay. The first one is saying USDM, the second one is showing USDT, and that is where I have most of the money. So I'm going to be clicking on this wallet for the withdrawal. So let's go, guys. So I've clicked on that, and this is the interface you are going to see once you click on that. And over here is where I'm going to be typing in the amount I want to withdraw, and this is the currency the money will be converted to. So I'm going to type in the amount I want to withdraw inside this box, and go ahead and click here that says continue. So let's proceed, guys. So I'm done typing the amount I want to withdraw, which is $300. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click over here that says continue, so we can proceed with the withdrawal. So let's go, guys. So I'm done with that, and they are kind of showing me the analysis of the amount I'm going to be receiving, which is 409,425 naira. So if this is okay for me, I'm going to go ahead and click here that says continue. So let's click on continue then. So I've clicked on continue, and this is the interface you're going to see. Here is the currency that the money will be converted to, and this is the amount I am withdrawing, which is 300 USDT, right? This is the fee they are going to take, withdrawal fee, which is 0.01 USDT, which is fair, right? So inside this box, once I click here, it is going to show me all the local bank account that I've already linked into this platform. But if you are yet to link any local bank account to the platform, this is also an opportunity for you to do that. So once you click there, it's going to show you an opportunity or a place you can use to link your local bank account. So let me go ahead and click there and select one of the ones I've linked already. So let's go, guys. So I clicked on that, and they've showed me the two that I've already linked, the first one, the second one. So I'm just going to choose a particular bank account that I want the money to hit. And just like I said, you are also going to have an opportunity to link if you are yet to link any of your local bank accounts, which is over here. So once you click here that says add new recipient, they are going to ask you for your bank details. Once you click it there, you are going to definitely link it. It doesn't take time. That's one thing I love about this platform called Minipay. So let me click on one particular account that I want, and let's proceed, guys. So, but before proceeding with the withdrawal, I just want to quickly log into my OPay balance, because that is the bank account I want the money to hit. So when you look at this balance, you're going to see that what I currently have in my balance is 14,256 naira 25 kobo, right? Yes, I love being practical, right? So that you know that what we are doing here is real. Okay, so let's proceed. Let's go back to the platform and proceed with the withdraw. If you have gotten to this point, go ahead and click the like button. Yes, and I want you to leave a comment in the comment section by typing I am here. Yes, thank you very much, guys. Let's proceed. So I've clicked on the particular bank I want the money to hit. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click here that says initiate withdrawal. So let's proceed, guys. So I've clicked on initiate withdrawal, and the next thing is to click or approve the transaction. So to approve this transaction, I'm going to click here that says withdraw, and they are going to give me option of typing my password so that they can start processing the withdrawal. So let me click on withdraw. So I've clicked on withdraw, and it is awaiting confirmation. Now this awaiting confirmation is just to peg or to match you rather to a particular merchant that is going to be sending that money to your local bank account. It doesn't take time, it's just within seconds. So let's wait a little bit, guys. So boom, they've matched me with a particular merchant that is going to be sending the money to me, which is the name of the merchant is Ridwan A. Okay, yes, and this is the amount that I'm going to be receiving from this particular merchant, which is 400, or agent, which is 407,737. Now, should in case you'll be wondering, but I saw 409, why did it come down? So this is market for you, all right? Yes, so you might be seeing 409. Before you could finish with the withdrawal, the market would have dropped, and the rate rather would have dropped. Now you might be initially seeing 407, but before you could finish the withdrawal, it would have gone up to maybe over 410,000. So that is rate for you. So I'm going to wait while this particular agent sends the money to my account. So let's wait a little bit, guys. So they say transaction completed over here. This is what they say, transaction completed. Now, whenever you get this thing, when they say transaction completed, do not go ahead and click here that says finalize withdrawal. Before you click on finalize withdrawal and finalize the withdrawal, finalizing the withdrawal is letting the platform know that you have received the money, that they should go ahead and release that money that you want to withdraw. Just like this, for example, the money that I want to withdraw is $300. So if you're clicking on finalize withdrawal, it means that you're telling the platform to release this amount to that agent, that you have already received the money. Now, before clicking on that finalize withdrawal, what I want you to do is I want you to log into your bank app. Now, in case you receive any text message like credit alert text message, neglect it. I want you to go to your bank app, log into your bank app to make sure the money reflected in your balance, okay, before you can be able to come back to the platform and click on finalize withdrawal. I hope you've heard. Oh yeah, let's continue. So I'm going to click on finalize. I'm going to log into my bank app to make sure I receive the money because I do what I preach. So let's proceed, guys. Now I've logged into my OPay account, and the money has increased from 14,000 something that we were having. It has gone up to 421,893 naira point 25 kobo. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click over here. This is also the transaction plus 407,000 something. Okay, so I'm going to click it so that the money or the transaction can be opened properly for me to see the whole analysis of the transaction. So let me click on that. So I've clicked on that, and this is the full name of the agent that sent the money, which is Abiodun Ridwan Ajiboye, okay, and the money that the person sent was 407,737 naira. So I've confirmed the money. So what I'm going to do is to go back to the platform to finalize the withdrawal. So let's go back, guys. So I've gone back to the platform, and I'm down. This is the time I can proudly go ahead or boldly click on finalize withdrawal because I've confirmed the money, that the money hits my local bank account. So let's click on finalize withdrawal, guys. So I've clicked on that, and I'm going to check this box. Okay, yes, I'm going to check it one after the other. So this is the question the platform is going to be asking you. So once you check this box, you are telling them that number one, you have received the money that the agent sent, meaning you've gone to your bank account to check that the money has entered. The second one is that you are confirming that I have confirmed that the amount has been added to my payment method balance. Yes, the particular account that I provided, I've gone there, I've seen that the money has entered. Then the last one is that you are authorizing this particular platform to release that amount that you want to withdraw, which is $300, to that agent after being confirming that the money has hit your local bank account. So I'm going to proceed to click on these circles and go ahead and click on release USD from secure escrow. So let's go, guys. So I'm done clicking on that, and the next thing I'm going to do is to click on release USD from secure escrow. So let's proceed, guys. So I've clicked on that, and the next thing I'm going to do is to leave a review. Now this leaving a review is not compulsory. Yeah, it's not compulsory, but anytime I'm done withdrawing, I like giving them review. Whenever someone does something good, is good, we give them their flowers. Okay, so the review doesn't take, it's just a matter of seconds we are done with the review. So let's just use a moment and give them take some moment and give them review. So let's click on review. So I've clicked on review, and the first thing I have to do is to click on good. Of course, the transaction or the withdrawal was good. The next thing I used to do is to type in just a little something into the comment box, which is it was swift. And of course, the withdrawal was swift. So since I'm done with that, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on submit. So let's click on submit, guys. So I've clicked on submit, and they just said thank you for your review. You guys are welcome. So what I'm going to do next is to click here to cancel, so I can go to the home page and see how much I'm currently having in my balance. So let's go, guys. Now this is the home page, and this is the amount I currently have. Now I have the sum of $1,333.02 from 1,633 to 1,333. So I'm going to click here to see how much this amount is in Nigerian currency. So over here it is showing us minus $300 because that is what we withdrew. So let's see, guys. Now I'm currently having from over 2 million. After the withdrawal, I'm currently having 1,831,968 naira. So that is it, guys. I'm going to click back here so it will go back to USDT. So it has gone back to the USDT, which is 1,333 USDT. So guys, this is how you can be able to withdraw seamlessly, fast, swift, without any stress from this particular platform. All right, now I am going to be leaving a video because I've made a video showing you how you can be able to get started. This is for the people that is coming across this particular platform for the first time. I'm going to show you how to get started with this particular platform and how I make money every single month and the amount I make every single month and how I do make that amount. So if that interests you, I'm going to be leaving the video on the screen, so you click on it and I'll definitely see you on the other side. Click the like button if you have gotten to this point, and also leave in the comment section that I am still here. Yes, type I am still here in the comment section. Cheers, guys. Hey there, I'm glad you stayed to the end of this video and I really appreciate. Now, in case you're looking for more ways to make money, or more ways your money can be able to make money for you, right? Or more ways you can be able to make money without bringing two persons that will end up bringing two persons before you can be able to make a dime online, then I recommend you click on this video you're seeing on the screen right now. Yes, this one, and I will see you on the other side. Now, in case you want to know how I make money using Minipay platform on a monthly basis, then I also recommend you click on this particular video right here. Either one you are going to click on, I will definitely going to see you on the other side. Keep winning. Yes, I want you to always remember that. Keep winning and always have it at the back of your mind that Leo is rooting for you. And until when I'm going to see you on this video or this particular one. Cheers, guys.